Jeremy, thank you. Soon, Ballad Health, in partnership with East Tennessee State University, will dive into our region's struggles with addiction. Ballad's Recovery Symposium is happening next week, bringing together experts from across Appalachia. And here with those details is Dr. Keith White, Ballad's Chief Medical Officer of Behavioral Health. Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Yeah, we're very excited about this event. We're bringing in national experts, leaders in the field of addiction medicine to come and help educate our own professional workforce here in the region and the community, helping those recovering from addiction. I'm very excited to report that our keynote speaker is going to be the acclaimed author Beth Macy. You might know her works, Dope Sick and Raising Lazarus. We also have folks that are coming in from the National Marijuana Institute to discuss emerging trends in marijuana use, and we also have a number of pharmacists from the ETSU Gatton College of Pharmacy that will be discussing new and emerging drug trends and drug treatments for those in attendance.
Now, based on what you see here in the region, what are the biggest challenges right now when it comes to addiction?
Well, we struggle with access to care. And so I think that this would be a benefit to our region because we are educating folks, therapists of all stripes, to expand entry points to the recovery ecosystem.
Absolutely, and this is not just open to doctors.
No, this is open to the public. You do have to register, but it is free to attend. Our audience that we're targeting is pharmacists, nurses, nurse practitioners, mid-levels, physicians, those in the faith community. Law enforcement is also welcome. You can go online to the balladhealth.org website to find the link to register, and it also comes with 6.5 CME credits, continuing medical education credits, for all of those types of provider groups I just mentioned.
When we get to the event next week, what is that day going to look like for people in attendance?
Well, registration starts at 8 o'clock. We're going to have light fare served with coffee, and then we'll get it kicked off with the keynote speaker. We're also going to have a panel discussion. I think this is going to be pretty unique to this particular conference. We're going to have a panel discussion of professionals who are they themselves in recovery, also now caring for folks in recovery. And so we're also going to have Judge Street there, who oversees local recovery court and has a number of success stories that will come and tell their story as well.
Fantastic. And for the people who are going, it sounds like you want people who work in fields where they would be around people who are recovering from addiction themselves. What kind of insights are they going to walk away with if they come next week?
What I hope that they'll walk away with is the most new, up-to-date, evidence-based research and evidence-based practices to care for folks with all sorts of addictions, not just opioid addiction. Absolutely.
And is there any cost associated with your registration?
No, absolutely free to attend. And we also will have some goodies throughout the day and some incentives. The first 150 folks that register and attend in person will also receive Beth Macy's latest book, Raising Lazarus, as an incentive. So if you're not able to attend in person or for whatever reason the in-person slots are taken, you can also register for the virtual option, which is also free.
Excellent. All right, free to attend. Just make sure you register beforehand. And Keith, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
The Recovery Symposium will bring together addiction experts, frontline advocates, community leaders, and it's all happening Tuesday, March 4th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Monarch Auditorium at Bristol Regional Medical Center. Of course, there is that online option as well. You must register online in advance. It is free to attend. We'll be right back.